Okay, so I am pulling up on a Sunday to the $1 million house we're working on. It's 5,000 square foot, 5 bedroom, 3 bath, 2 kitchens, 2 living areas, a media room, John Deere room / workshop. Yeah, this house has it all. So I'm filming inside my truck because it is currently -2 degrees Fahrenheit and very windy. So let's go inside and see what we've got done so far. Okay guys, here we are walking in the front door. There goes the plow truck, and behind me you'll see the upstairs kitchen and the I guess you'd call it a family room with some of the build outs we've done. So let's take a walk around and we'll kind of see what we've done so far. All right, let's walk right into the kitchen. Open concept here. We've got some of the uppers up. We're actually going to change how we did this crown. Get rid of the fill there, put the crown on top of the cabinets. We're going to have a built-in cabinet for a range hood, and that's going to go all the way to the ceiling. And then over here, we'll have the fridge cabinet and cabinet above it. So still got some work to do on that today, which is where I'm going to start. These are all base cabinets that we actually cut down to 21 inches, and then the face frames are off of wall cabinets. So you have lots of extra storage in here. And those will get quartz countertops along with the kitchen and the islands. Walking in here, we don't have any light, so I apologize about that. Got a dual sink vanity and an 8-foot tall pantry. That's the bathroom that serves these 2 bedrooms. And here's the kitchen. Big island. Regular 24-inch bases. This is going to be a little like a small kitchen sink. The main sink's going to be over here. Dishwasher, 36-inch range. Lots of storage. And if that's not enough, come over here to the pantry we built out. And 42-inch wall cabinets, crown, base cabinets with drawers. We didn't do the floating shelves or this built in over here. Onto the master. Nice sized master. Master bath. We added in this dual vanity, furniture looking vanity. So it's got the plumbing's all in here, hidden in here. You've got the shelf underneath. That'll get a quartz top as well. And from here, you can actually walk in. Master closet. We didn't do any of this. What we did when you come into the laundry room, just a couple of uppers for storage. We'll have a sink right here, and then your washer and dryer will go in over here, and this will all get a quartz top. So from there, let's go downstairs. All right, coming downstairs, we've got the second kitchen. It's a little smaller. It's not going to have everything that the upstairs kitchen has. It doesn't have a range down here. Dishwasher, fridge, smaller island, sink base right there. But again, 42-inch cabinets, crown on top. And then the other thing down here is just a small bath with just a little vanity there. So nothing special there. Single sink vanity. But yeah, so that's what we've done so far. Let's go get some work done today.